one. Mike, can you tell us a little bit about the evolution of how you chose to use the Chricton gearbox and then how eventually that became a part of Michael Byrne Manufacturing?
Yes, at the time I started my company, the entire industry was using a gearbox called Fairfield transmission. They had many breakdowns because it was not built heavy enough to take the shock load that you develop when you are boring and you hit a rock, and the shock load is tremendous and generally would tear up the gearbox. So we started using Chricton and had excellent results with it. I eventually ended up buying the company. We beefed it up even more, and we still use that gearbox today. It's the best one in the industry.